Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I have picked up the Emily in Paris collection from Essence. I've wanted to try this for quite a while actually. And Essence is quite hard. Well, the collab collections are quite hard to get hold of in the UK. But I recently found a website that you can like get most of it, like, and pretty much after the release. This has, as I say, it's been out a while. I managed to get the Hello Kitty one as well, which I'm really happy about. I'm going to do a review of that very soon. It might actually be my next video. But now I've discovered the website. It's called Luxe Plus, by the way. Then I can get these. So I got the eyeshadow palette. I got the highlighter. I also picked up these eye patches, which I'm obviously not going to do today because I've already done my base and skincare. I picked up the mascara and I also picked up the lipstick. I actually picked up 2 lipsticks because I put 2 in my basket by accident. So yeah, I'll probably pop that into some future giveaway. I was like, why have I got 2 in here? Have they put 2 in by accident? Had a look and I was like, no, I ordered 2. So I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette. How cute is this? So we've got Emily on the front here. And then we open it up. We've got a little pop-up Eiffel Tower. How cute is that? And this is the colour story. I think this is stunning. These are my kind of colours. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love nudes. I love neutrals. But if I had to choose like one colour apart from those to use, it would be like purples and mauves. Oh, I couldn't get the thing off. So yeah, without the cover on, that's how beautiful it is. This shade is stunning and so is that one. But yeah, really nice shimmers as well. We'll give them a swatch. So this is how the swatches look. These are really nice. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. This one's stunning. I have to use that. That is beautiful. That's one of the ones that I pointed out that I said look really nice. This is the big heart shimmer that's in the center. That one's lovely as well. But to be honest with you, they are all stunning. Okay, so eyes are primed. I am going to go in, I think, to start off with this shade here, which is this kind of like mauve, but it's like a slightly darker mauve. This one I would say is quite mauve as well, but this is a paler mauve. All right, so as I say, I'm starting off with this. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful shade. These are like my favourite colours. And I'm going to pop this one, just get rid of that creasing, through my crease. Oh, that's nice. Look at the pigment on that. Do you know what? I get so excited when I discover a brand. I mean, I say discover a brand. Everyone knows about Essence. But yeah, when I find a brand then that is super affordable and really good quality. Everyone raves about Essence mascaras. And I have tried the Lash Princess like years and years ago and really liked it. As I say, they used to sell it in Wilkinson, but obviously that went bust, which is quite sad because that was a really cool shop. But yeah, now it's like it's not as easy to get nowadays. Not in the UK anyway. Yeah, I absolutely love that. It's really nice. Blends beautifully as well. But I'm going to blend the edge of that out a little bit further using the paler one at the bottom here. So I'm just going to, as I say, kind of tickle this around the edge of that shade there. Yeah, really nice. It's blended out perfectly. Honestly, I couldn't wish for anything better. Right, so what I'm going to do on the very outer part here is going for that really nice kind of a deep plummy shade that I showed you, which is this one down here. I'm just going to work that into kind of like the outer V of my eye just here. Oh, what a gorgeous colour. Looks really nice. Right, so as I say, I'm going to kind of work this into the, oh, look at that, the outer part. So like that. Oh, It's just beautiful, really nice. These are definitely my kind of colours. Beautiful kind of purpley warm tones, stunning. Right, so I need some shimmer on the inner part there. I think I'm going to go with 2 actually. I'm definitely going to take that one right in the middle, that heart, which is this one here. I'm going to do that more on the centre, and then right on the inner part I am going to go in with, I think I'm going to take this one at the top here, this really nice pale pink. So starting off with that middle heart shape shade, I'm going to take this, as I say, more kind of from about there. This goes on beautifully with a brush. The new series starts soon, isn't it, Emily in Paris? I think it's like the 14th or 15th of August. I'm rather excited about that. I do love Emily in Paris. It's like one of those easy watch sort of, and it's funny. It is funny. And I think I read that they're going to do it in 2 parts. They're going to do like the first half and then they're doing the second half in September or something. I'm actually going to Paris in a couple of weeks. So then, as I say, I'm going to take that lighter pink from the top and I'm going to put this one next to it. So this one's going to go more kind of in the front of the lid, and then we'll blend it through. Little bit, I was really happy because I had no fallout. I've only done my my foundation and my bronzer, but yeah, I didn't have any fallout whatsoever, so I was like, oh, this is good. But the shimmer's given me the tiniest amount. I mean, you know, it's no big deal, be easy enough to clean up, but yeah, just letting you know. Yeah, look how beautifully those 2 colours go together. Oh, I love them. And then underneath, I am going to take, I think, I'm going to take a bit of this one here, which is like the middle mauve shade that I used in the crease. I'm just going to take a small amount. And just pop it on like the outer part just here. I might take a tiny bit of this, the darker one, and just kind of blend the 2 together. And then we'll just blend that through. As I say, I'm going to take a teeny tiny, just 1 dab of the darker purple just on the very outer part here. And give that a little blend as well. Then we will try out the mascara. So this is the False Lashes Mascara, Extreme Volume and Curl. As I said earlier, I do love a Essence mascara. Oh, that's an interesting wand. So it's curved, and then we've got shorter bristles on one side and longer on the other. The only one I've tried similar to this is from What's Up Beauty, and that's an amazing mascara. So I believe this just came in black. So I'm going in with the longer bristles first to build up the volume. It's a little bit bushier on this side. So that's 1 coat of the mascara compared to without. It's nice. It's definitely, you know, it has added volume. I don't normally wear black mascara nowadays. It feels really weird having black mascara on. I normally go for brown, but yeah, it's nice. Right, I'll just pop another coat on, and then there's the second coat there. So I've just got 1 on that side now. It's really nice. Really nice mascara. Definitely lengthens, definitely separates, thickens. Yeah, beautiful. Right, okay, so a blush done. Do you know what? I've just used this, the NYX Buttermelt Blush, which has only just come out in the UK in You Know Butter. Look at that, it is stunning. My favourite combination at the moment is to use a coral blush, like any coral. I have been using for liquids or creams, the Rare Beauty Enjoy. That's a really nice one. Or the One Size out of the Disney palette, the Fantasia palette, is a really nice coral. And then on top of that, I use the House Labs Fire Opal highlighter as a topper, which is, you know, that's like £42. It is stunning, don't get me wrong, I love it. But this, actually, with those two together combined, this is actually really similar on its own. Nice. Anyway, it's not about that. Right, so that's that done. So we'll move on to the highlighter. So for that, we have the baked highlighter, Say We to Possibility. I think that there was only the one highlighter. At least there was when I looked anyway. But it looks really nice. It's like the kind of colour I'd probably go for. It's a bit pinky, a bit champagne-y, a bit of a mix really. Oh, it does look quite dark. On camera, that looks really champagne gold. And then when I look at it on my arm, it looks pink. Wow, okay. But yeah, it looks really nice, but it does look a little bit dark. I'm definitely going to go in light-handed with that. All right then, let's see what it's got. I said I was going to go in light-handed, didn't I? And I just went in quite heavy with that. Never mind. Right. It's not too bad actually. I might be able to take a bit more. Oh, do you know what? This is stunning. Really nice. It melts into the skin like beautifully. It's the quality of a pretty high-end highlighter, I'm not going to lie. I think that I have heard people raving about Essence highlighters as well as the mascaras. Oh, look at that. It's just so kind of gleamy and glossy. There's not a hint, I mean it is baked, so there's not a hint of like a glitteriness or anything like that. It just melts so beautifully into the skin, catches the light perfectly, no cast whatsoever. I've gone a bit heavy-handed with that blush, haven't I? Never mind, I got a bit carried away. But yeah, that's really nice, beautiful. And then lastly, we have the lipstick. So it's this one here. It's such a cute little design. They definitely only had the one shade, and it's like this. So it's very Emily, but it's like a real kind of pinky red. Which I thought to myself, you know, the eyeshadow palette was obviously like this, which is very kind of purple themed. I don't know actually. No, it does look all right next to it. I thought to myself, oh, is that really going to go? But it might do. We'll see. Right, so I'm just going to pop some liner on first. Oh, it's quite stainy. Look. I don't know what one to use. I think I'm going to go with this one. It's quite hard to actually find a liner to go with that because most of mine are like kind of browns and nudes. But yeah, this is like the pinkest one closest to that, which is a Revolution Love Island one in Bombshell. I'm just going to line my lips with that. And then we'll go on with the lipstick. Yeah, it's quite a lot brighter than the liner. It is a beautiful shade, like it's a really bright pink. It's not really got a hint of red in it when it's on. It's more of a like a really bright, almost magenta sort of cerise shade. And I don't think it goes with the eyes either, to be quite honest with you. But there we go. Yeah, no, it's fine. So here is the finished look. Yeah, as I said before, I don't think that the lipstick goes with the eyes, which is a real shame actually, and it's possibly a little bit of a blip, because they could have at least put just a nude in or something like that. And I know they're kind of trying to go more with the Emily in Paris colours, you know, the reds and the bright pinks, but it doesn't really go with this palette. You know, when it's on, it did look it at first, but look, it just doesn't really. Yeah, each to their own, you know, some people will love it, but yeah, I just don't think that the colours go together really, but I didn't have a choice. This was the only lipstick. I think that has some glosses. They had some glosses, just not another colour of lipstick. But yeah, apart from that, absolutely loved it. The eyeshadow palette is stunning. It's so nice, really affordable. And the colours just blended beautifully, super pigmented. The shimmers, absolutely chef's kiss, beautiful. Honestly, really nice. This highlighter though is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I love how it kind of just melts into the skin. It's the perfect amount of baked as well. Yeah, there's no overspray on it or anything like that. It is just stunning. Yeah, and as always, the mascara, brilliant from Essence. So as always, I will link the products in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!